Alright, let's replace the reflector. First, you need to dismantle the motor housing. Open the back of the motor box. It is secured with a single screw. This is a top wire. Pull the entire motor out. This is the motor and the reflectors. Remove the two fixing screws. Our new reflectors. Simply insert the reflectors into it. Insert it into the tip position. There is another one below. Align it with the lock nut position. The reflector should face downwards. Simply reassemble it in reverse. Make sure to tighten these two screws, or it will shift. After installing it, that is normal. Approximately vertically is fine. Tighten it firmly. Later, when we power it on, we'll need to adjust the red light. Then, tighten it. Because after powering on, you need to adjust the red light to its center.